Mana Decentraland is pumping like crazy right now, leaving the rest of the crypto market in the dust. Let's see what's going on and where it could be going next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, as I said, I'm going to be talking to you about Mana Decentraland. It is up 7% today within 2 candles on the 4-hour time frame in just 8 hours. That is absolutely incredible. That is a ton of volatility that was desperately needed in the crypto market. Before we dive into the analysis, you need to know that the indicator sale ends today. You have just a couple of hours left at the time of recording to get access to these indicators at the best price we've seen this year. I'll give you more information later on in this video, but if you want to learn more now, the links are in the description. Let's dive in. Right now, you're looking at Decentraland on the tradeconfident.io website. First up is the emotional index, and what you're seeing right now is the blue line dropping way into fearful territory. Now, I have to say that the crazy pump isn't reflected on these charts. These charts are updated at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the pump happened after that. The saying goes, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And right now, traders are fearful for Decentraland, and we saw a big price move up to reflect that. Once we move up to excited or greedy territory, this is likely where traders are going to be looking to exit their trades. You can see right here, we got into excited territory and the price moved straight down afterwards. We're very likely to see moves up soon. Next is Decentraland smart money. Right now, what you're seeing is a lot of long trade sentiment for smart money. This is indicated by these orange bars right here. When we see this, this is likely where we're going to see moves up. And again, you'll see this on the 4-hour time frame. What you're seeing right now from the Decentraland breakout detector is the green bars right here just below consolidation. What this means to you as a trader is that we're likely to see a little bit of volatility in the market. When the green bar is above consolidation, we're seeing sideways movement. And when we're seeing bars under impulse, it means we're likely to see big moves soon. Right now, though, you're seeing the green bars just under consolidation, so this is likely going to be some volatility in the market. Next, and this is one of my personal favorites, the major support and resistance lines. What you're seeing was a breakdown from the 35-cent level for Mana. At this point, it has become structure resistance, but we'll have to check in on the 4-hour time frame to see where the resistance is now. Last but not least, you are seeing the Decentraland daily trade scanner. Now, the price has been below the green line right here. This is a major indication of bullish pressure in the market. You can see any time that the price has fallen into or below the green lines, we've seen moves up in the market. We've seen that just now with the green or with the price structure below this green line as structure support. And this is really, really strong bullish momentum. Now, you saw the metrics on the 1-day time frame, and this gave you really good bullish sentiment for the market. And that's exactly what we got. And I'll show you on the 4-hour time frame using live data. Live data is so important. So I'm going to be showing you with the Trade Confident indicators how you can actually use them to predict moves like this. Before I do that, though, I have to let you know, again, you have less than 2 hours before the sale ends. The best prices we've seen this year for the Trade Confident indicators. If you want to get access, you got to click the link in the description and it'll bring you to this page right here. In order to get the best possible deal, $450 savings. First, what you're going to want to do is snag the bundle pack using code HOLIDAY50 for $50 off. This is going to include the price versus one money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you're about to see me use. These things are absolutely insane. On top of this, it'll include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. This is a total of $450 off all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Now, if you just want to buy the TC top and bottom finder by itself, use code HOLIDAY350 at checkout for $350 off just that. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated email support, but don't take it from us. This trader did $10,000 in their first 3 trades. This person made $4,300 in just a week and $950 in just 1 day. These indicators are doing amazing for our traders. If you want to get access, best prices are happening right now. You have 2 hours left. Click the link in the description to get access. With that, let's check out the 4-hour time frame. Here we are on the 4-hour time frame looking at Mana using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Now, the previous structure support on the major support and structure chart was right about here. I'm going to go exactly. It was at 35.54 cents. That's exactly where the structure resistance hit. We saw this hit a couple of days ago, right back here. Right when we got a strong buy signal, by the way, we bounced off the structure resistance, or I'm sorry, structure support at the time, but got a big move up. with that strong buy. Today on the 4-hour time frame, we saw a buy signal as we just barely were about to push into the green liquidity pool. We had been writing this for some time while the price versus one money flow was trending up. So when you see the price versus one money flow trending up and the price trending down, it is very likely we're going to see big moves up in price soon. This is because no trend can be supported without whale money. So if the price is going down while whales are adding money to the market, this means we're likely to see a big move up. There's a lot of pressure that builds when there's divergence. At this point though, we are extremely high on our charts. Price versus one money flow is at 76, and we're typically looking for values of 70 or above. You can see the values right here. We're looking for values of 70 or above for a move down. The trend exhaustion is in its top red territories too, while we are touching a red area, the red line right here, on the price, or I'm sorry, the TC top and bottom finder. On top of this, we are at structure resistance for the local high. This is right after a drop happened a while back, not a while back, a day or so ago. But we're at that structure resistance, and because of this, this is where I'm very much expecting to see a move down. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see a sell signal pop. If you see that point, it could be a very good entry for a short trade or an exit for anyone that took a long trade down here. What you're going to want to be looking for at this point as we move down is for the price to fall, of course. However, where do we think it's going to fall? We have really strong structure support right about here. There's touches on both the top and bottom side at, just call that an even 32 cents. Here we'll do 0.32 right about there. We have multiple touches on the top side and the bottom side. I think right here, 32 cents is where we could be heading next for Mana right here. If you don't see it hit 32, if it actually hits that and breaks down, the next place you're going to see the price move is the next structure support, very likely at 29 cents. Just call that an even 30 cents. So that's what I'm looking for next. The price move down to 32 cents or even 30 cents. You're going to be wanting to look at the price versus one money flow and trend exhaustion nearing the bottom. Once we hit the bottom areas again for the trend, or for the price versus one money flow, that's below 30. For the trend exhaustion, that's in the bottom red territories. That's when we're going to be looking for a move up again. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We really appreciate it. I have to let you know one more time, time is running out to get the indicators at the best price we've seen all year. If you want to get access one more time, check it out at the links in the description. With that, thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. I'll see you in the next video.